My name is Craig Wilkinson. I'm the propulsion / dropping mechanism lead. I'm going to show you how the Navi dropping mechanism works. Alright, so first thing you need to do is arm the dropping mechanism. What you do by doing that is you push our little tabs forward and extend the spring. Now you put the holding pin in place. Once the holding pin is in place, you release the arming mechanism. Now what happens is the spring is trying to pull the whole mechanism back, but the pin is preventing it from doing so. The next step is to go and actually fill up the balloon. Once you also hold the propeller in place. So we have our balloon right in here, and you put our little motor stop in. The idea of the motor stop is to keep the motor from moving forward, because the motor moving forward and backwards is how we actually drop our ball. So with our stop in place, which also kinks the balloon, we proceed to blow up the balloon. And so, it's starting to rip. Okay, so here we go. We blow up the balloon. I'm just going to put a little bit of air in here just for demonstration purposes, because our balloon is starting to get worn out. So here's the balloon. And this balloon actually is channeled all the way to the dropping mechanism underneath, which is this guy right here. Now what happens is, during the ground mission to prepare for mission 3, you pull this pin out, which allows the motor to now move back and forth. You put the wiffle ball underneath into our mechanism, and you squeeze the balloon in order to pressurize. And now our wiffle ball is held. Now you can close the whole hatch and the plane is ready to fly. The next step is when our motor begins to turn on. The motor, you want to take a shot of this? The motor will move forward, and in moving forward you can see now back here that the pin has dropped out that holds the spring. Now when the motor goes to shut off for a landing, it will move backwards, releasing the air from the balloon, and our ball drops. Thank you very much and good night. This is Craig Wilkinson signing off.